I'm working on a bowl, and I'm also working on a name plaque. I've learned how to actually make the pot and stuff with the clay, like kneading it, making an indent in it so you could actually make it look like a pot.
So we're learning how to really form them using a lot of water to make sure it's forming, and how to make sure it doesn't explode in a kiln when you want to dry it in an oven. Because at first, when they started the class, they did not like the clay. The classes went on, they've actually been starting to grab the clay more by themselves. They're starting to use it more, they're starting to like it more. It's like a learning process, and they're learning to appreciate things and, use them the way they are supposed to be used.
You don't have to do anything you don't want to do. It's all about fun and learning.